Welcome to our session on designing the restaurant layout. Hello everyone, and welcome to this vital session that focuses on the art and science of designing an effective restaurant layout. Today, we will explore the fundamental principles that underpin successful restaurant designs. A well-crafted layout is not just an aesthetic choice, it plays a significant role in enhancing the overall customer experience and improving operational efficiency. Let's dive in. Objective of the session. The primary objective of today's session is to provide you with valuable insights into the essential elements of effective restaurant layout design. We will discuss how an optimal layout can directly enhance customer satisfaction while ensuring that your operations run smoothly and efficiently. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how to apply these principles in your own restaurant projects. Overview of restaurant layout design. Let's begin by examining the key components of layout design that are crucial for any successful restaurant. The primary elements we will focus on include the kitchen layout, the configuration of the dining area, and the flow of service within the establishment. Each of these components must work together harmoniously to create a seamless dining experience for your guests. Kitchen layout. Now, let's turn our attention to the kitchen layout, which is a critical aspect of any restaurant design. When designing an efficient kitchen, it is vital to consider the workflow involved in food preparation. This includes the stages of preparation, cooking, plating, and cleaning. By optimizing the kitchen layout to minimize unnecessary movement and maximize productivity, you can ensure that your kitchen staff works efficiently and effectively. Dining area configuration. Next, we will discuss the configuration of the dining area. When designing this space, it's important to determine the seating capacity based on your target audience and the overall concept of your restaurant. Striking a balance between comfort and capacity is essential to enhance the dining experience. Guests should feel relaxed and at ease while enjoying their meals, which can significantly impact their overall impression of your restaurant. Flow of service. Ensuring an efficient flow of service is another key consideration in restaurant layout design. It is important to design clear pathways for both staff and customers to minimize congestion and enhance the overall experience. Additionally, strategically positioning service stations, such as drink stations or dessert areas, allows for quick access and facilitates a smoother service process, ultimately leading to higher customer satisfaction. Design standards and regulations. Understanding design standards and regulations is essential for any restaurant project. You must familiarize yourself with health codes that govern food safety and sanitation practices. Compliance with fire safety regulations and accessibility standards, such as ADA compliance, is also crucial to ensure that your restaurant is safe and welcoming for all patrons. Health codes. When it comes to health codes, there are several key considerations to keep in mind. These include maintaining proper food storage, creating designated preparation areas, and implementing sanitation practices that adhere to local health department guidelines. Regular inspections are also vital to ensure ongoing compliance, which helps protect both your customers and your business. Safety regulations. Ensuring safety in your design is paramount. Implementing fire safety measures, including clearly marked exits and effective fire suppression systems, is essential to protect your staff and customers. Additionally, designing layouts that minimize hazards will create a safer environment for everyone involved in the dining experience. Group activity introduction. Now, let's engage in a group activity to reinforce our learning. Participants will have the opportunity to sketch a basic restaurant layout based on a specific concept provided to them. This will allow you to apply the design principles we've discussed while encouraging creativity and collaboration among your peers. Activity guidelines. Here are the instructions for the activity. We will provide you with a concept description, such as casual dining, fine dining, or fast food. Each group will then outline key elements to include in their layout, such as the kitchen design, dining area configuration, and the flow of service. Be sure to keep the principles we've discussed in mind as you work on your designs. Presenting group layouts. After completing your layouts, each group will have the chance to present their sketches to the rest of us. This is a wonderful opportunity for everyone to share their ideas and receive constructive feedback. We encourage open discussion and dialogue about each design, as this will foster a collaborative learning environment. Best practices in layout design. As we wrap up, let's summarize some key takeaways for effective layout design. First and foremost, prioritize customer comfort and accessibility to create a welcoming atmosphere. Additionally, optimize kitchen efficiency and service flow to enhance operational performance. Lastly, stay informed about regulations and best practices in restaurant design to ensure compliance and success. Conclusion. In conclusion, a well-designed restaurant layout plays a critical role in the overall success of your establishment. By applying the principles we've discussed today, you can create a space that not only delights your customers but also streamlines operations for your staff. We encourage you to take these insights and apply them thoughtfully in your future restaurant projects. Thank you all for your participation and engagement in today's session on designing the restaurant layout. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. As you move forward in your culinary ventures, remember that a strong foundation in layout design will be instrumental in your success. We look forward to seeing the amazing concepts you create.